How to add items to cart and place order on Target app. Let's get started. Launch your Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the Discover page. Once you're in this page, you're gonna find different items over here. If you cannot find the item of your choice, what you can do is at the top you'll see the search box. Over there you can type in the item name and search for it. Once item appears, just click on it. Then you can add the item to the cart. You'll get this kind of pop-up, add to cart, click on it. Then go ahead and select the details for the item, color, and the delivery. Then add the item to the cart. Now in the cart page, you're gonna find all the items that you have added to purchase. Just check your items and then you can click on check out all. Then you can select the delivery date and click on continue. Now over here, you'll find all the details of the item, total, like by delivery address. You can add a payment method or also can use gift card. And once you check all the details, we can click on place your order. So this way you can easily add items to cart and place order. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.